If you're looking for a free screen recorder, we have many choices, whether it's creating a presentation for business or the latest gaming session for YouTube.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about the best screen recording software. I know many of you ask me about which screen recording software I use to make online training video on my channel. So honestly speaking, I use many different kind of screen recording software. So actually, before making this video, I also try to Google search and search on YouTube. So what other people say about best screen recording software. So I figure out that they mention some program that I think it's okay to use, but that is not the best one. So in my opinion, there's no best software for everyone, for all purpose. Just what kind of software that is suitable for you to a specific purpose. For example, if you want to record gameplays, and if you want to stream, there's a good software called OBS Studio. And if you want to make training video, presentation, and educational video, there's a good software called ActivePresenter or Camtasia. And there's another software that you can use at affordable price like Filmora 9 with its screen recording software. So in this video, I'm going to give you two categories: free and paid software, screen recording software. A free one you can use for recording gameplay and also recording screen with webcams and also some other funny stuff. That is OBS Studio. And the second program is can be used for educational video, training video, or make software tutorial like this. Is ActivePresenter. These are the programs that I use all the time before switching to use Filmora 9 screen recording software. And so the second category is paid one. So there are two programs you should use. The first one, Filmora 9 screen recording software. Why? Because it is affordable, just maybe $60 and you get the screen recording software and video editor right inside the program. And the second program you should try in this category is Camtasia. So it is very powerful program, but specialized for making online training video. And also Camtasia video editor is also very powerful. You can make it you can use it to make video here on YouTube and educational video. Okay, so I will go one by one. So I will show you all the detailed feature of this program inside this program. The first one is ActivePresenter. So that is a free program. Okay, so the first thing, I need to close all the tabs here, because I know that people talk about. Here is OBS Studio and this is Camtasia. Just close it. So the first, let's also exit this one, and this is the update. So the first program I want to mention in this video is ActivePresenter. Why? Because it is completely free to use for personal use. And you have another version, is standard version, which is used for commercial, or you can want to make money and or make video for your client. Then you have to pay for that. Otherwise, you can use free, no watermark, no time limit, and it is very powerful when it comes to making software tutorial or educational video like this. So the first thing first, you go to the website atomicsystem.com, or you just check out the link in the description. Okay, I put the link in the description. And they have two products. So a company with over 10 year history and has two products. And the first one is ActivePresenter, and the second one, they have another product, Solar Animate, which is a HTML5 animation software, which is good also. But in this video, we just click on ActivePresenter. Okay, and here's the description. Read it carefully. Here's a powerful e-learning authoring software. So it is a e-learning software not only a screen recorder or video editor. It's an e-learning software. So for those of you who are making e-learning courses, and you can use ActivePresenter. It is more affordable than other e-learning software on the market, such as Articulate 360 or Adobe Captivate or iSpreadsheet. All of these e-learning software are powerful, but they are so expensive. Okay, so ActivePresenter has a screen recording function, audio and video editing feature, software simulation, which is similar to screen recording, but it is simulation, so it's different. Okay, software guide, e-learning games, and quiz building. So there are many features inside this program. You can create e-learning example like this: volcano, create and manage an order in Odoo solar system, and so all these are e-learning lesson. I click on that, and you can also play the preview in your web browser. So like this, start a quiz, enter your name, Jacky, let's say Jacky, continue, how old is the solar system? 5 million years, submit. Ooh, not correct. So that is just some overview about this program. So there's e-learning example here and the feature here. So you can also have feature, right, and import PowerPoint, create responsive design, but all this is not important because we only concentrate on screen recording and video editing in this program. Okay, so go ahead to download page. To the download, click on ActivePresenter. Alright, so we have ActivePresenter 8, and it is available for Windows and macOS, but for 64-bit Windows only. And you can select download right here. If you are on 32-bit, then you need to select ActivePresenter 6. And from my point of view, it is similar, but ActivePresenter 6 does not have webcam recording option. Okay, and ActivePresenter 7 is the previous one, and also the same, almost the same in my opinion, but with webcam recording option. And of course, ActivePresenter 8 is the latest one, and you can use it for free. And click here to download, and there's a download package, and you can just double click to install it. It is safe, 100% safe. I tested out, and it's safe to download and use, free. Okay, and let's open ActivePresenter to show you. So this is the first one. I have ActivePresenter 8 professional version. Actually, I also use it to create my online e-learning courses. So just I use the pro version, which costs about $399 per lifetime. It's perpetual. So to record video on your computer, just click on this record video. And if you want to make a software simulation, you can click here, but I'm going ahead with record video. Just 1 minute to open the toolbar. Here you have the option to record full screen right here. Click on that, or you can just select custom. You can select custom resolution right here. Any resolution you want. It depends on your screen, your screen size. Okay, so now I'm go ahead with full screen. You can also choose to record a log application. For example, if you run a web browser or game or just another program, you can select from the drop-down menu. For example, here we have Wondershare, Filmora 9, and a web browser. We can click on that, and it will record only that application. Okay, but for this example, I can just disable it and go back to full screen. We have the webcam recording here, and some option for my setting to adjust your webcam. Here, output size, color space, and frame rate. So that doesn't matter. And click apply and go back to here the webcam. And you have the option to record audio. So there are two options: system audio and audio from your microphone. like this, and we can select here, and there's another option to disable record system sound or microphone. I can select record microphone here, and then I can adjust the volume, right? And there's more option right here, and you click on this gear icon, you go to setting, and you have the option to disable show recording area and show recording toolbar, and you also can go to recording setting. Click here, and here we have flat screen video, which is good to reduce the file size. Other than that, you can H264, which make a little bit bigger file size, but I'm good with flat screen video. Okay, for the audio and also video of the webcam, it's the same setting here. For the cursor, just make sure that you record mouse cursor, because in ActivePresenter you can record mouse cursor and edit it later in post. And make it cursor effect, we can select on, or it is always on as a default. Okay, annotation, add annotation interaction action for mouse event. We don't need that. We don't need to add annotation because it is used for software simulation, so we disable it. Okay, interaction for keyboard event, so we can disable, and disable keystroke also. Okay, for hotkey we have pause and resume, and to stop we can press Ctrl N, and to cancel we press Ctrl and C. Okay, okay, we can restore default, and we can click save. And if you press Ctrl N and you cannot stop the recording, don't worry, just find it right here at the recording at the notification area. Okay, now I will click record, this button to record, start, and you have a countdown, 3, 2, 1, then go. Okay, now whatever I do on my screen will be recorded in ActivePresenter. For example, I just click refresh, and I open my phone on my computer. Yeah, this is my computer, and then I close it, and then I click refresh again, and now I can press Ctrl N to stop the recording, or I can find ActivePresenter here. I can click it. Here you see that this is the recording toolbar, so you can pause here, stop here, or you can also cancel or delete the recording. And here they show the frame, the number of frame capture and number of frame drop. Okay, and we can click stop. What happens? ActivePresenter will bring you to the editor. So it is the video editor inside ActivePresenter. So why I suggest you to use this program? Because it is not only a screen recorder, it's also a free video editor. Okay, so the first point I want to mention is that ActivePresenter record 4 different tracks here. Your video, we get a screen recording, and your webcam, here your adjustable webcam, right? And you can move your webcam around the screen to put it whenever you want. And here is the audio. So this is the audio from your microphone, and this is the system audio. Okay, and you can zoom in and zoom out the timeline. So there's a lot of other options. For example, the first and the most common option is to add text to your recording. You go to insert and you click on text, and then you drag an area on the screen to add text to your video, to your screen recording. I'm sorry. Then you can type whatever you want. I can type Jacky Nguyen. Okay, my name, and I format it Times New Romans and increase the size. Beautiful. Okay, and change it to change the color. Okay, so that is just text, but we can add animation to the text, and go to the animation tab again, add entrance, so it is pick in and exit, fade out. Okay, and here is the animation, and you can also adjust the duration of the text like this. Play. So it is very powerful, and there's a lot there are many other features inside ActivePresenter. You can also split the clip. For example, you can select and split the clip, and you can also increase the speed of the clip by 200%, 500%, or whatever. So ActivePresenter is very powerful, and that is the first option I want to suggest if you want to have a free screen recorder, no watermark, no time limit, has a free video editor inside, and possible to add text, add animation, and also zoom and pan, and so many other options. But you have to go to watch my tutorial for beginner here or here. That is about ActivePresenter. Okay. Okay, so that is the first one at the free category, and the second one at the paid category. So it's similar to ActivePresenter. It is Camtasia. So the price for Camtasia is about is $249 per lifetime for one license. Okay. It is similar to ActivePresenter, but has more video effect like transition, color adjustment, and animation keyframe. So Camtasia is a screen recorder and video editor. So it is the ideal solution for making online training video. So there are two features inside: recording screen and editing video. So many other people, many YouTubers also use Camtasia to make a YouTube video with its video editor. There's a free trial, so you have 30-day free trial. After 30 days, you cannot use the program, and you also need to register on the website, register with your email address and also password to start using the program. Okay, and you can click here to download. It is available for Windows and macOS, also 64-bit Windows. And the price, here the price, right, and $249. So the new version is Camtasia 2020. So if you want to have the discount code, I have 10% discount code for Camtasia down below at the description, so just check it out. And then you can download, as you see that here, I can download it, and then I will open it for you to, Camtasia. Here is Camtasia 2020. Let's click open it. And let's close the game. I opened the game because I will use OBS Studio to record a gameplay, to just an example for you. And also I'm using Filmora 9 to record my screen. And here's the EOS utility that is running on my computer. Okay. So there are many different programs when I make software tutorial like this or software review like this. So it's a little bit messed up. Yeah. Here is the start page of Camtasia. We can create a new project or we can create a new recording. So it's similar. So just create a new recording because later it will be in the editing interface. Okay. Click on new recording. I want to show you the screen recording software of Camtasia. Here you have also the same option like ActivePresenter. You have screen, and you have full screen, widescreen, and standard, and also an area to record an area. ActivePresenter also has an option to record a specific area, right? And also here we have also a local application option here, or select area to record. So I think it's the same, and you have the option to record your webcam with the option to adjust the webcam. I just click on that. Here's general, input, and shortcut and program. So it's the same, similar to ActivePresenter. Okay, let's close it. And you have the option to record your microphone and also system sound. So you can click on the option to bring out the same setting. And here's the record button, and also you change the system audio, and you can also disable it or enable it. enable and disable the program. And the webcam also, I will just use my integrated webcam on my laptop to use as an example, but I never use it on my tutorial because I think it's bad. My webcam is down at the bottom of my laptop, so it just face up the sky. Okay, so let's click record, and there's also countdown, and we can press F9 to stop the recording. By the way, we can find it right here, so we click on that, and here we can go to the tools and your recording toolbar to close it, or we can go to effect and then go to annotation, and you can add system stamp or add caption, and there's an effect right here with screen raw, so you can write on the screen when you're recording video. Here you can use a pen and to write something, but actually I never use this feature because I think when we recording screen, then we have to concentrate on speaking and just mouse cursor and need to use our mouse, so not something that we can need to write on the screen. But actually you can just change the color of the pens and make some rectangle and make some circle like this on the screen. Okay, so that's one added feature that ActivePresenter doesn't have this feature in the screen recorder. But now you can start. Now you can stop and pause the recording and stop. I click stop, and it will go to the video editor, Camtasia video editor. So this is also very simple to use video editor for making video and making training video, but it is a little bit slow because I'm running too many programs on my computer, so that's affect the program. But if you only run Camtasia, then it is fast. Okay. I should add a few moments later right here.
A few moments later.
So here is the editor. So continue trial. You have 30 days left because I just installed this program this morning. Install again because I make another tutorial about Camtasia about months ago right here. Okay, continue trial. And here is the result. After you click on the screen recording, they have here track 1 for the webcam and track 2. Track 1 for the screen recording and track 2 for the webcam, and with the audio. And actually the audio and the video are right in one track, but we can just detect the audio. Right click and we can separate the audio. Separate audio and video. Then we have audio and video and webcam. Okay. For the webcam, it's the same. We can just move the webcam around the screen or rotate or something. Here we can move it around the screen, and we can resize it and also rotate. And actually, we can also add animation to our webcam. It is an animation right here inside Camtasia. So Camtasia animation. Here we go to animation, and then we can slide up a scale to fit, and so just drag and drop it onto the video, and then you can adjust the animation right here. So it is very simple, and so many people use this for making video. See the animation, right? And transition, it's had a bunch of transition, but similar to ActivePresenter, it's not as many as other video editor. Okay, and we have annotation. So annotation is annotation is an advantage of using Camtasia. So there are many annotations you can add to the screen. You can drag and drop it on the screen or on the timeline. So and it's also there's many color, so you can scale and fit, and you see that here ABC, and you can type it my name, and you can also add animation to this, and to this title here, and you can review. Okay, and there's so many things more here in this video editor, but maybe you need to figure out all the features of this video editor, because there's so many things to say, not only in one video. We cannot cover everything in one video. Okay, so that is the second program, Camtasia. Just go to the link and download free trial, 30-day free trial, and okay, and go ahead with that. You can also have the I need to continue. You have a share option here, local file, and share to YouTube, Google Drive. So okay, so record, edit, and share. Okay. So the first on the free is ActivePresenter, and the second on the paid is Camtasia. So let's go to the second on the free category, OBS Studio. This is a completely free program, and it can work on Windows, macOS, and Linux. So I have it on my computer, and actually I use it in many of my screen recording, many of my video before. And here is OBS Studio, and let's go to the website, OBS Studio. Let's search. You can just perform a Google search, and then click here, OBS. It is open broadcaster software. So basically there are two features in this program. First one, screen recording, and second one, streaming. So if you want to stream on YouTube or on Facebook, you need a streaming platform. So OBS Studio is recommended by YouTube to use as a streaming platform for you. So, but in this video, I'm just talk about recording screen. Here you can download it for Windows. I download it for Windows and for macOS, Linux. Here, go to the website or go ahead to the link in the description below. Okay, so just download it. I already downloaded, and actually it's on my computer months ago. And now let's open OBS Studio. Open it, and yes. Wait a second. I should add a few moments later.
A few moments later.
Alright, here is the project with some filters, some tests. As you can see that it's funny, right? So there's a cat dancing on the screen. Actually this is a green screen cat. I use it as an example, and you see that my logo is rolling down from up down here, and also the text OBS Studio is rolling left right. So actually in OBS Studio you can add many funny stuff like this in the program. And so let's clean up. Let's display capture. Let's delete all of them. Media sort also delete. I will show you later in this tutorial. Okay, and delete, yes, and text, delete, yes. So this is the interface when you open OBS Studio. Actually first on the right you have start streaming, so that is for the streaming, and start recording is for screen recording, and stop record studio mode, and setting, and exit. So if we go to setting, then we have something to figure out. Here's the setting. We have general, and you can set up your English, and also the theme. You want dark or just some other theme, but I'm going ahead with dark. And then here at the output you have the option to change the video output, and that is what matters with me. Here you can choose MP4 or MKV. It's up to you, but the best option I think is MP4, because it's for uploading to YouTube. And the next option is the output and the video. The video option, you can choose 1080p or just 720p here with the aspect ratio. And so that is the most important thing when you want to record screen. And for the streaming, you have the option to stream on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook right here. But if you want to have a tutorial about how to stream on OBS Studio, let me know at the comment section below. I can just make a tutorial for you. And here we go with custom, and just click OK. That doesn't matter. Okay, it looks a little bit scary when you just first started, but don't worry. Just go here and click on this plus icon. If you want to record screen, and you can select a display capture. Okay, I will select that display capture and then click OK. Okay, and display one. If you have two monitors, then you can select any monitor right here and click OK. So now it just figure out the screen size, and you can also scale up and scale down the screen size right here. The first one is display screen capture, and the second one, you want to add a webcam, right? And you go to video capture device, click here, and then click OK. And this is my webcam. You see that? It's up in the sky. And actually I can also use my DSLR as a webcam, but here I can click OK to select my webcam, and then I resize my webcam and I move it to the corner. Okay, here's the corner. That is the webcam. How about text? I want to overlay some text on my screen. Let's click this icon again, go to text, then click OK. Then we can type my name, Jacky, Nguyen. Right, we can select a font, B, bada boom, bada bam, banner speed. Okay, okay, and then click OK. And then I can resize, or I can move it around the screen, and I can grab the corner to resize it. Oops. I press Ctrl Z. No. Oh, it disappeared. Sorry. Okay, and then I can just do it again to add text to the screen. Okay. My name. Okay, just leave it with Arial. Okay, and resize it like this, and then put it here. So we have text, my webcam, and my screen. Okay, and some more fun thing right here. For example, if we want to apply LUT, you go to filter. Then there's some fun thing here: chroma key filter and LUT, and also scrolling option right here. So click OK to close, so it scroll. Okay, and one more thing here with desktop audio with system sound, and this is a mic audio, and we can click start recording to record. Okay, just start. Let me show you. Start. So actually it is recording my my screen and my webcam. So whatever I do on the screen is recorded in OBS Studio. When you finish, and file it here, and click on stop recording. Okay, so but you don't know where the recording, right? And you can click here, file, show recording, and actually it is in a folder. This is a folder, and this is a file, MP4 file. We can right click property, and see the details. So it is 30 frames per second, right? And click OK, and double click to play. So you see that the quality is also good. I think it's acceptable, and OBS Studio is a good option. So that is the best option when you want to record gameplays and other simple stuff that you don't need to edit, such as cutting, splitting the audio, add text to the screen, just record and share. So that is common when streaming game, right? Other than that, you need a video editor to split the clip and to add text, so add effect and add sound effect, add music. Okay, so here we have OBS Studio. So click on this plus icon. You have all other options right here. If you want to have a full tutorial, complete tutorial about OBS Studio, I'm willing to make for you. Just let me know in the comment section below. Okay. So that is a free category, right? And the final one. Filmora 9 screen recording software and video editor, but I need to turn it off now and start a new recording on that, and also turn off my camera. So wait a second.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm back. So the second option in the pet category is Filmora 9 screen recorder. Why I suggest this one? Because it has a video editor right inside the program. So actually many people use Filmora 9 video editor to edit video, and they didn't know that it has a screen recorder inside the program. Me too. I just know it a couple months ago, so I use it for all this tutorial and this video also. I use Filmora 9 screen recorder to record video and edit video and publish it on YouTube. And I put it at the paid screen recorder because it is not free. When you purchase Filmora 9 and you have the screen recorder, other than that, it is not a free program. You need to pay around $70 per lifetime from Filmora 9 to get the screen recorder. And the discount code also in the description below. I have over 100 different tutorial about Filmora 9 here on my channel. You can also watch it, and let me show you the screen recorder inside Filmora 9. Okay, and this part is recorded by OBS Studio. Okay, here is Filmora 9. So I opened the program, and I'm also using it to record screen and creating a new project, so I don't want to close it. Other than that, you will not see this interface just inside the program when you start a new project. But when you start a new project, you can click on this record button, and now you have the option to record webcam. Okay, the first option to record webcam, only your webcam, and the second option is to record your PC screen, and we are going to talk about that here. And also record voiceover. Record voiceover in Filmora 9 is similar to other programs, and it is useful. You want to check the tutorial on my channel also. You want to watch tutorial. And let's go to record PC screen. But it is not as powerful as the Camtasia when it comes to recording screen, and also not as powerful as ActivePresenter at the free category. Here's why. So you have the option to record full screen right here, and also a custom and target window. So you miss the lock application, right? No option to record a lock application in Filmora 9 screen recorder. And the second thing, you want to record speaker, it means system sound, and this is audio. So there's an option to record or disable it. But here we go to setting, and the frame rate is up to 60 frames per second, only 60 frames per second, so similar to Camtasia. And here we go with 30. So 30 is enough for making software tutorial, right? Like this. And the quality, we choose the best one, so highest quality possible. But here we have the show mouse clicks in recording. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 presets of mouse click right here. So what's the difference between Filmora 9 and Camtasia and ActivePresenter? In ActivePresenter or Camtasia, you have the option to add mouse cursor effect later or edit a mouse cursor effect later. In Filmora 9, no, just the preset. Okay. And here we can play the mouse click sound. But when we play the mouse click, you have the click, 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 and the system sound with the background music and something, and all of them merged together in one audio track. This is a disadvantage of using this screen recorder, right? and you have the hotkey, but F10, F9 only. You cannot customize it. In ActivePresenter, you can customize it. In Camtasia, you can customize it. Okay. And record the camera stream, meaning that you want to record camera. Meaning that you want to record your webcam at the same time. But here, OBS Studio is using my webcam, so it does not allow Filmora 9 to record the webcam. And you click on this button to record. Alright guys, so I think the video is long enough and you got all the details about this screen recording software. So I hope this video is helpful for you, so you don't have to watch other video here on YouTube to find a good screen recording software for your needs and your budget and something like that. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.